Hey guys, NCWQ here, and I have y'all looking at EMSC. And today, there happened to have been an earthquake in South Carolina. It was a 2.1, and it was 2 kilometers deep. It was 35 kilometers northeast of Columbia, United States. So we'll look at this on Google Earth, and I've already put the coordinates in. You can see what looks like mining within this area here. This is Heavenly Paint and Body. So we're going to go over here. Let's see what we can see from the road in this area. It's got to be some kind of view. Probably not because of the trees, but it's back over behind there. You can see these look like internet, maybe internet antennas, like the ones we have here for, oops, well, I don't know where that just went. Hang on, let's go back. Those look like the ones we have for internet. But as you can see, this here is some kind of mining. Not so sure what that is. And this says Signs Unlimited, Mart Williams Collision Center, Oma Bradley Automotive. There isn't any signs on here. Maybe fracking or some kind of mining. But just notice that that's here. Hang on, let's see if we have a view on this side. Because there is a road here. It says Green Hill Road. So there might be something there. It says Midlands. Let's back up a little bit if we can. Drag racing? Parkway. I hadn't seen drag racing. Yeah, I didn't see any drag racing there. Maybe it's old, I don't know. But what's back there doesn't look like, well, it might be drag racing somewhere else, but that doesn't look like drag racing. Could be. I don't know. Strange, though. Because this doesn't look like drag racing to me. If anybody knows what this is, let me know. I just noticed it when I was looking and it didn't look very much like drag racing. Could be. Looks like some kind of construction or drilling or I don't know. Anyways, just thought I'd show y'all where that 2.1 hit in South Carolina. It's a pretty big area here. There's more down here. That says GFL Environmental, so it'll kind of look the same. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well. Please take good care of yourselves and each other. Oh, I was going to show y'all. I'm in NC, so let's turn this around. Okay, so I'm in NC. This one hit here, and I live roughly about here. So, yeah, kind of straight on a straight line here. Anyways, you guys, take good care of yourselves and each other. Much love.